Hey guys, how is everybody doing? Tony here. Just wanted to give you guys a really quick update on ApeCoin, where my position is at. I actually ended up adding another $1,000. My average cost basis right now for ApeCoin is anywhere between, I think, like $13 and $14 is my average cost basis. My original entry was around $7K. I just added another $1,000 right now. I think yesterday around, I think $10. I think like maybe high nines, low tens, I think, is when I added another $1,000. Precisely $1,010 from another position. But as of right now, I did add another $1,000. Again, this is not, I don't even want to know, I don't even think this is a fool's insurance. I think this is actually, the more I read about ApeCoin, the more I kind of like it, and the more the fact that my theory stands on I'm basically playing this, and I'm betting on the founders of Bored Ape Yacht Club and all of their other IPs, which is actually something that I explained in my Patreon and stuff. If you want to join the Patreon, link in the description, and I'll pin it in the comments, right? But I think that the founders of obviously Bored Ape Yacht Club and all their other IPs, I don't think they want to rug pull this, because I do not think that ideally, they don't want to ruin their brand. And I think that's what's going to happen if this coin gets rug pulled, right? If this coin gets rug pulled and then ends up going to something crazy like under $1 or something, right? I think that would probably consider this a rug pull, right? And at that point, I think it would scar the brand, the Yuga brand or the Yuga Labs, all of their IPs. It would essentially scar, their brand. It would essentially mark their brand as a rug pull. And I think that the founders or the creators don't want that. I don't think that they want to have any bad. They don't want to have a bad reputation, pinned on, either their NFTs or their crypto. And I think that's one of the reasons why I'm betting on ApeCoin, is I think the founders don't want to actually, burn their brand. That's really it. If I had to pick one thing, I think the only thing that I support is that, I don't know, they don't want to ruin it. Because I think essentially if that happens, all of their NFTs, all of their crypto, everything else just becomes sort of useless, because nobody trusts Yuga anymore. And then, I think that it's going to go, and I think it'll essentially hurt them very, very, very long term. But I think that's my theory for now. I think I'm going to stand by it. Damn it, who the hell keeps, that's probably a spam comment on TikTok or whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to update to you guys on Ape. It has gone down ever since, it went down from, I think the last time that I talked about it, it was like at $14-15. It's now at, $10. So far in the last day, well, what's $5 of 15? It's down about 25%, 30%. Damn it. I still think it can get up there. I still think, for the most part, I would not be surprised if one day the market cap of ApeCoin is worth somewhere in the lines of 30 to $40 billion. Would not be surprised, and I'm being completely honest. I think that it can match Shiba Inu's old market cap of its all-time highs, and I think it could possibly match Dogecoin's market cap, which I think at super highs, I think it's all-time highs. Doggy's market cap was something crazy like $70-80 billion. And I think if Doggy can get there, I think that ApeCoin has a really big possibility, after it's grown a little bit into its crypto, into its whole ecosystem. I think it can get there, right? I think it could possibly get there. And I'm not saying that to pump this coin. I'm not saying go out and buy ApeCoin, because this is definitely, I would still consider this more of a meme coin than anything else. So I'm not saying throw your money into this, right? Only put money into this if you're willing to lose it, right? That's why I have this position. It's a little bit more of a risk-on amount, but I don't know. I have the same gut feeling that I had about Doggy and Shiba. I kind of have about ApeCoin. So I'm kind of crossing my fingers with this one, seeing where it goes. Don't mind holding it for a while. I mean, I held Doggy. I held Doggy for like a year or two, right? And then I held Shiba for like 6 months, couple months before anything happened, I don't mind holding to ApeCoin for a couple of months if, you know, in 6 months from now, ApeCoin goes to $100, right? I don't know where it's going to go. I don't mind holding it. But as of right now, that's going to be my running theory. That's what I'm basing this off of, is I'm hoping, or I'm basically, you know, thinking that the founders do not want to rug pull and scar their brand. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.